floral maxi dresses for women. These dresses are generally light colored but can be deep colored also. Now let us see some dresses like this, which can be worn casually for different types of outings, picnics, small trips and some other smaller outings where it can be worn with sneakers, shoes, and these are very informal types of floral maxi dresses. Now this is a dress which is off-white in color with floral motifs. Now it is strappy with asymmetrical design at the bottom. It is also tight fitted at the waist. You can wear it with sneakers or any other type of informal shoes and minimal accessories. This is also a V-necked floral maxi dress. It has a short sleeve and it is fitted at the waistline. You can wear it with wedge or even with sneakers. It also doesn't need any sort of accessories. This is an A-line maxi dress with strappy neck. You can wear it with sandals or slippers or any other flat bottom shoes. It doesn't need any sort of accessories and it goes well very good. It is very good in summers. It is a deep colored floral maxi dress which is having a V neck. Also it is sleeveless and you can wear it for any sort of outings or picnics, and it is a very summery dress with synthetic material or ligan material. Now there are some more dresses which are good as party wear and which can be worn with high heels and blazers, full length blazers like this. This is a bright colored floral dress which can be used in parties and any other major events. It can be used with white blazers, full length blazers or black jackets and teamed up with high heels, white heels or black heels with clutches. This is a bright colored floral dress which is very beautiful and can be used with or paired up with white jackets or white denim jackets or white leather jackets and used in any sort of parties or formal events. This dress has a deep neckline and has one sides. This can also be tried out with high heels and jackets. This is a dress with a short sleeve and V-neck and can be very well used in any sort of party. Now this is also a very stylish dress with a flowy look and a deep neckline. It is also sleeveless. You can wear it with heavy accessories and style it with long heels and beautiful clutches. All these 5 party wear dresses can be heavily accessorized. Now there are also some more dresses which are totally boho, which have florals, motifs and laces and frills. This can be used for indoor parties and small events which are informal, and these are like this. Now this is a very sweet colored dress with frills at the sleeves and at the bottom. You can use it for indoor parties or housewarming parties or any sort of small indoor activities. It includes minimum accessories and gives a very comfy look to the outfit. This is another floral maxi dress which is in boho style and having full sleeves with frills in the wrist. It is also having an Elizabethan era neckline with fitted waist. You can wear it in any sort of small parties. This is a very bright colored off shoulder dress and is a short dress. It has a netted cover to hide the legs, and it can be used in housewarming parties and even in any summery festivals. Also, there are some more floral maxi dresses which can be used in beaches. So these dresses which are really comfortable for women who do not want to wear short dresses in beach and can opt for these dresses. This is a very casual light colored knee ankle length dress with ribbons in the shoulders. You can wear it for beaches and it is perfect to be used with hats. This is an off-shoulder dress with a high slit at one of its sides. It can be used in beaches and it's very comfortable due to its floral design. So let's see you in my next video where I will be talking about some more maxi dresses.